Guys, it's me again. So we're gonna make this incredible. This is a cream. So you need this one color pencil, one color Crayola, and kung gaano kahaba. Okay? So ito yon. Oh my god, it fell. This. And you need a scissor. Let me get some scissors. So you need a scissor. You need this and a topper and a paintbrush and cayod it. Like this. Oh no, it fell. It just fell again. You always fell. So if you fell this, you will get a tissue. So it's clean. So that's it. And one more thing. You need to wash your hands. So this is a dangerous slime. This is not a slime. This is a glue. So do not make this at home, but do not touch it because it's dangerous. So that's all. We need this paintbrush. And let's go. And that. So let's glue it. Another glue. Yes. May ginagawa. May hinihintay siyang message. So here's the glue said. Elmer's Glue All. This is the glue. Anything of you glue, but not a stick glue, okay? That's the thing. And dip it. Ooh, so satisfying. Wiggle. That's enough. So mix it with this, like this. Like that. So we get this. It's look like a cream. Hi.
Ang dami ng glue. Sayang.
Para pinapalaki ko, wag kong maingay. Ako'y nag-vlog.
Ka ba?
This is the one last thing.
Nandiyan si Angsing.
So mix it again. You need 2 times to lagay the glue. So mix it again. So when it's get light pink or anything light blue or anything, this is what happens. And this is the final touch. That's all. Bye-bye, guys.